When we say blogger be a post here, I'm a wire blogger. What was I say? We the ones who so post.
Hey, me shimmy de be like jeez.
We the ones who
Yeah. Jeez. Sometimes Oma up and coming for no me to me from. But mention for the I don't know how they are going to take it. Because most of them, I came to meet them in the game. And I do going to say me story. Michael Black's story I'm calling you know. Big shout out to TV3, big shout out to Onua. I'm not saying this because I'm here. Me call Michael Black's story and I'm the trouble and my logos were on it. TV3 captured it and they gave me credit.
They didn't take the logo off.
I'm telling you, almost all the international media, because Michael Black's is big. It's almost all the international firms, including our local TV3, on your mom in a credit source, Kobby Kyei. It was beautiful. But me and my colleague for no, it been fine. And no, or croppy logo if you. Oh dear, my logo no was na my credit because now I'm say me try there no. But or my credit and also croppy logo if you. And be here, me I don't know what if it. So that should tell you that the baby son or yeah the boy I mean to me can no.
David.
Because from afar no my Adwuma me to ka fi ha e di obi echi akọ central region e krasi akoye story o Accra when to me from me sometimes even when I do stories the international community media community they send me emails, can you approve us for us to use your picture or video? Now my reply me beautiful, yes you can go ahead. And also be wabaka so logo no to me, I didn't know baby a be suity ye media firm no. It be a kakra na feko show because me dey make say me senior. Sometimes I have issues with maybe my team. They say, "Oh, Kobby, send and go for we are works
content no."
I didn't bone by ya. They said they been the bone. I'm saying no. Send me tell me say. Me to me in fact, me logo and by the bone by ya. It distort the video.
It's true.
It distort the video. It's understand the best corner and I say BB. So I think say they are back to the question. Say me colleague bia or no say be bia you know. Me Adwuma we are our mama credit. There's no way Felicia me catch and say what for my idea na dey na mama credit. Me crab any me sure come you interview any one DJ. Or say o mba abonte be kasa akura no. Ye tan o. O yan go for yin. Na wasa be kasa ya na no say na kwa me say I stand to be corrected. Or say Umba bonten beka say we good no cry no. Who yan kofo yin. Na Felicia na Kobby Kyei magba bonten beka say the whole Ghana bloggers me na me say. You better time more.
Yente no cry ho na wa pem wa.
What you say?